Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and play games in Opera GX step by step. If you're new to the browser, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything in real time, so feel free to follow along. All right, let's get started. First, open up Opera GX on your computer. Once it loads, you'll see a dark interface with a sidebar on the left. Look at the sidebar and find the icon that looks like a game controller. That's the GX corner. Click on it. This will open up the GX corner, which is Opera GX's built-in hub for gamers. Here you'll find free games, new releases, gaming deals, and even a calendar for upcoming game launches. It's super helpful if you want to stay updated on what's coming out. Now, scroll down to the free games section. These are updated regularly and usually linked to sites like Steam, Epic Games, or GOG. Click on any game that interests you. I'm going to click on one of the free games here. Once you click, a new tab opens and takes you to the game's official website. Depending on the platform, you might need to log in. Then just click on Get or Download and follow the usual process to install the game through that platform. Now here's a bonus tip. If you scroll further down in the GX corner, you might see browser-based games as well. These don't require any downloads. Just click and start playing right in your browser. You can also click the More Games button at the bottom to explore the full Opera GX Games portal. There's a wide variety of free and indie games to try out. So, to recap, click the GX corner. Icon in the sidebar. Browse free or new games. Click to open the official site. Download or play the game directly, depending on the type, and enjoy gaming right inside your browser. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.